Hello students. Today we will be going over 2.4a, combine like terms. This is on page 21 of your blue packet. Okay, number 1, 6k plus 7k. If a term has the same variable to the same power, which these are to the power of 1, we can combine them. And then we can just add the number in front, or what's called the coefficient. So 6 plus 7 is 13, and we put the k just comes along for the ride, and you're done. Okay, now we're going to jump over the number 3. Go ahead and do 2, and then we'll go to 3, negative 4x and minus 10x. I'm going to change this to plus and negative 10x. So now, is that a battle or a party? The x's both are to the power of 1, so we can combine them. And they're both x's. So it's a party. So 4 plus 10 is 14, and the negatives win. There you have it. Next, we're going to go on to number 4, where we have 3 terms, and they all have r. When nothing is in front of there, we're going to put a 1 in front of there. So that's a negative 1r. And it's all subtraction, and I'm going to change them to all addition. And you remember, you change the sign of the term behind the subtraction. So now, negative 1 plus 10, now we work left to right because it's all addition. Negative 1 plus negative 10, is that a battle or a party? It's a party because they're both negatives, so we combine them and get negative 11r plus a negative 5r. Now, is that a battle or is that going to be a party? It's a party. So we add them together and we get 16, and negative wins. It's all a negative party right there. Negative 16r, and you're finished. Next, we're going to go on to number 5. See how these problems are getting a little bit harder each time? Now we have some v's and some r's. Now, only the v's can be added together here, and only the r's, but we do not combine them. So negative 1v plus 12v, is that a battle or a party? It's a battle, so we subtract. 12 minus 1 is 11v, and negative 15r plus 7r. Is that a battle or a party? It's a battle, so we have to subtract. And who wins the battle? 15. So we can either put plus negative, or we can put minus 8r. Now, at this point, we have an r and a v. Okay, we cannot combine those. So that's your final answer. So you've got to get used to seeing like 2 terms being the answer rather than just 1 like the rest of these were. Okay, we're going on to number 6. And we have n's and p's. Now, we have a 5n and we have an 8. Oh, wait, not 8p. What goes with the n? Negative 7n. Nope. I was right the first time. 8p goes with 5p. I thought I said 5n, but it's 5p. So we add 5p. Always look at the sign in front. Plus 8p, 13p. Now we have 11n and a 7n. Okay, is that a battle or a party? It's a battle, so we have to subtract. 11 minus 7. And you're finished. Okay. Next, we are going to be going on to the next one. Okay, we have negative 8x minus 11x plus minus 8. So I'm going to change this to plus and negative. These two have x's. That does not. So these two can come together. Negative 8 plus negative 11x. Battle or a party? It's a party. So we're going to combine them and get negative 19x. And we just say the 8 just tags along. If there's no x with it, we cannot combine it. And we're done. We're having so much fun. Let's go on to number 11. We have a 9n and a negative 4n. See how it always follows the number behind it. So positive 9, subtract 4. Is that a battle or a party? I'm going to change this to plus a negative 4n. And it's a battle, so 9 minus 4, 5n. Now we have a minus 5 and a plus 6. Battle or party? Battle, so we subtract. 6 minus 5 is 1, and the positives win. And we're done. Okay, let's go on to 16, where we have m, 12, negative 12, 6, another m, and a negative 14. So we're going to add the m's together, and we're going to work left to right. 18m plus negative 7n. Battle or party? Battle. So we subtract, and we get 11m. And I'm going to put the 6m in front. Make sure I carry the sign that's in front. And then we have minus 12, minus 14. Okay. Now we're going to need to simplify that a little bit more. Okay, so we combine 11m plus 6m and we get 17m. And then negative 12 minus 14. Your final answer is 17m minus 26. And we only combine the ones with m's together. And then we combine the ones with just the numbers and no variable. Okay. Now we're going to go on the back side and we're going to solve a few of these equations. 10v plus 2v equals 48. So can we combine the v's? Why, yes, we can. 10 plus 2. It's a party. Now, since this is multiplication, we do the inverse operation and divide by whatever's in front of the variable. And then v, can you see it all the way down there? Equals 4. And if we want to check it, we could go ahead and put 10 times 4 is 40, plus 2 times 4 is 8, 40 plus 8 is 48, and it checks. Okay. Now let's go ahead and go over here to number 25. 4b minus 5b equals negative 7. Battle or party? It's a battle. So we subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1. Who wins the battle? Negatives do. B equals 7. Okay, I'm going to let you finish the rest, students. You can do 29. You rock.